Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1995 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Z34 Brickyard 400 pace car. Now, there were only 400 of these cars produced, and this car is number 283. Little sign there says Jeff Gordon won the first Brickyard 400, and he received one of these cars. And the other number 2 is in the Hall of Fame out there in Indianapolis. This car is a 17,000 mile car. Very, very clean. 3.4 V6 under the hood. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, power windows, power locks, tilt wheel, cruise control. This is just an absolute beautiful car. The body, the paint, the interior is very, very nice shape. Power seat as well. Jams are very nice. It's a show quality car. Interior super nice. Brickyard 400 right there in the back of the seat, and in the back, on the back seat there in the center. You can see that. The headliner, very nice shape. The visors, your dome light works. Super clean inside and out, well as under the hood. We got the car in on trade last week. The customer traded it in on a Dale Earnhardt Intimidator Monte Carlo SS. Horn, radio.
Big 106.5. I don't think today's big backwards track is all that tough.
Air conditioning, left turn, right headlight indicator. Very, very clean car. Brickyard 400 there. Owner's manuals in the glove box. There's that nice little sign that comes with the car. There's your RPO codes, tire information, I should say. VIN number. I'm so used to opening the trunk on these cars, that's where the RPO codes are, but I don't see a single ding, dent, scrape, scratch anywhere on this car. It's super nice. Got the Jeff Gordon 24 badges on it since he won the first race. Very, very clean. We'll take her out for a spin. Show you this side jams quick. We're not going to ask a ton of money for this car. $14,900. I think that's a great price for a 17,000 mile example of one of these pace cars. I've had a couple other of these cars in the past. I actually had one car that had 600 miles, and I think one that had 120 miles or 83 miles, something like that. So I have had a few of these cars, and they're pretty popular. You know, like I said, one of 4. Pardon me, I got the hiccups all of a sudden. One of 400 produced, so you don't see too many of them. There we go. Tach works, speedometer works. I'm assuming the gas gauge works. We're still gonna run it down the road. It says E, hopefully it means enough. I have ran out of gas a few times on test drives, so, you know, it happens. But we're already in the car doing the video, so we better just continue on. I like being able to drive every car. I kind of familiarize myself with every car. That way I know what we got going on with every one of them. This car drives really nice. Doesn't shake or vibrate. Cruise control works. Looks like all the gauges are working. Temp gauge is starting to come up. Stereo sounds real good. Headliners, visors, like I say, they're in real nice shape as well. Headliner's not falling down at all. Paint's really nice, got a really nice shine to it. '95 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Z34 pace car, number 283 of 400 produced. These cars aren't slow either. I bet they were faster than quite a few of the cars produced in 1995. Just a gorgeous little collector car here, 17,447 miles on it now. Give us a call, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory such as this every day. So give us a call. Let's get this car put in your garage. Again, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. Those of you who have, thank you very much for doing so. Look forward to talking with you soon. Have a great afternoon, everyone.